Welcome back, everybody. Today what we're working on is installing the jury struts, which are these two struts that hold the wings locked in the folded position so they're not flapping around in high winds and bad weather. Initially, I wanted to try to obtain original manufacturer jury struts for this airplane, but they're very rare, and individuals who do have them aren't willing to donate them to a museum. So we had a very capable steel fabricator that the exhibits department here on Intrepid uses frequently to duplicate these struts. I brought him in here, described exactly what I need. He took some measurements and produced some wonderful replicas that will definitely serve our purposes. The struts that the manufacturer made were quick release struts, so that crews wouldn't have to spend the amount of time that we're doing to install them. They had special spring-loaded ends on them that fit into these sockets and clipped in, and they were just as strong as the nut and bolt fitting that we're putting on. But since these will be in place hopefully for decades into the future for visitors to the museum to enjoy, we don't envision having to take them off and put them on frequently. We are installing them semi-permanently to go out on display.
Push it in a little bit. Yeah.
Now this one you can tighten right down, Rosie. This can be solid.
Okay.
So we had to remove some of the internal structure that was set up to receive the ends of these temporary jury struts. Part B was to get the two parts of the strut installed first in the airplane, one in the wing and one in the fuselage, and then get the telescoping ends of the jury strut to line up with the previously drilled holes. And this part of the strut we can rotate, so when it comes time to do final alignment of these bolts that we're going to put in to fix this in place, we can do that with the outer part of the strut. One of the challenges we had was bringing the wings up to their final position. Initially, the wings were resting at a slightly more closed position than they actually needed to be in. We used our wonderful genie to install the strap inside the wing, around the wing spar and several other strong components inside the wing. Attach that to the cab of the genie. We were able to bring it out to the point where while I was fine-tuning that angle, Rosie was able to line up the bolts.
A little bit more. Too much. Okay. Good, don't move. You're good.
Voila! It's a beautiful thing. Look at it. It's great. So the jury struts were the last structural project that remained on the Skyraider, and from here until it's completed is simply adding paint and final details. We're looking forward to the big rollout on April 26th. See you there. For more behind-the-scenes videos, go to intrepidmuseum.org.